Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another what I eat in a day video. Thanks for joining and I hope you're all doing really well. I'm doing really well. I've actually managed to lose about 5 pounds since I started doing these videos again, which is crazy. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing just as well if you are trying to lose, and if not, I hope you're just enjoying the recipes anyway, because honestly these recipes are really delicious and I just love food, so that's always a good thing. But anyway, this morning I woke up. It's actually not a work day. I'm actually off work today. It's a Tuesday and I booked it off because Harrison's school is striking, so I'm hoping to get this live on Wednesday the 1st of March. Fingers crossed. So hopefully that will go to plan. And yeah, I woke up this morning, had a very quick breakfast. It was pretty nothingy, to be honest. I had some raspberries and a banana, which is pretty standard for me. If I don't know what to have, I'll just opt for some fruit. But I'm quite hungry now and I can't decide whether to have a warm corned beef muffin or salmon and cream cheese on a muffin, like toasted. So I'm gonna decide on that now. And then for dinner tonight, again, I'm a bit undecided today. I'm not too sure. Part of me fancies steak, but also I'm quite fancying chicken as well. I'm gonna sit down with some recipes to see if I can get inspired, but I hope you'll enjoy it. So yeah, let's get on with the day and give it a like, a thumbs up and a comment, because I read every single one. It's time for lunch and I've decided to have a muffin just because it's a little bit quicker than whipping up the smoked salmon, plus this goes off a day sooner, so I want to get this eaten. So I have some topside beef here. I think it's Aberdeen Angus beef, so we're going to track that and see what it equates to in point value. I also have these soft grain rolls and I have some truffle mayo as well, and I'm thinking about adding a little bit of cheese to it just to be a bit more bougie. So the cheese that I'm using is the Cathedral City lighter version. So what I'm going to do is get all of this pointed up and it'll be delicious, and I'm thinking about having it with some crisps, which I think you guys will guess what they are. My all-time favourite black oil and truffle, or black truffle oil crisps from M&S, because they are bomb. But anyway, yeah, let's get all of this pointed up. The beef is 1 point per half a pack, which is perfectly fine for me, so I'm going to track that. When it comes to the rolls, they are, I'm going to guess about 5 points each for these. 5 points each, so I'm going to track that as well. I'm going to have 1 point worth of cheese, which is about, I don't know, 10 grams, because I'm just going to grate it on. I don't track condiments. I know I always mention this, but this is truffle mayo. You could have something a bit more friendly, like lighter than light mayo, Hellmann's or Hellmann's light mayo, but I'm going to have that. So yeah, so far, this is going to be a 7-point lunch before I've added my crisps, which is perfectly fine considering my breakfast was also 0 points. So I'm gonna have 3 points worth of crisps, which is around 24 grams. There we go. And then we have it, 10 points for lunch for this warm beef balm and some lovely truffle crisps. Just started dinner and I'm thinking about whipping up a quick chicken, sort of like jambalaya, kind of flavoured dinner rice, if I'm honest. It's a combination of a lot of things that I need to eat in the fridge. So I have a mixture of parsley and coriander. I've added some courgette, some aubergine, mushroom, onion, garlic. I have a combination here of Cajun spice and chili powder, and I'm also soaking some rice. I'm just about to cut some pepper. I'm going to check if I have some in the fridge. And then I have some skinless chicken breast here. So the only thing you really need to factor in this recipe is the oil, if you choose to. I don't personally track olive oil, but the rice. Now I have enough rice here for 4 of us. Even though the kids aren't having this sauce, they're going to be having chicken with rice and naan bread. So this isn't, you know, enough rice for 4 people. But I've started that soaking. Sorry, Harrison's home. And I'm also going to spritz some lemon juice on here as well. But what I've decided to do is cook the chicken in the stock of the kids' chicken that's cooking at the moment, because that's just full of flavour. So that's the plan. So I'm going to start off by browning all of the vegetables in that cast iron stock. I'm going to brown these veggies and chicken off, and then I'm going to pop it in the oven for the rest of its cooking time. What you have in and knocking loads of things together and just combining them with stock and rice is the best. Not only is it super filling and you get to use all of the stuff in your fridge and get really creative with it. As I said, I added aubergine, courgette, onion, peppers, tomatoes, mushrooms, but it was really delicious and we really enjoyed it, and it's very low in point value. Again, the only thing I had to factor in was the rice. I had 5 points left for the day, so I just had one of the flatbreads that I normally would have just to go with it. I didn't really need it, to be honest, because there was more than enough going on with the rice, but I didn't fancy anything sweet, so I thought I may as well have the bread. And I actually ended up eating half of it, but I am going to track it as the whole thing. So yeah, I'm going to go. Hope you'll enjoy it. I'm going to edit this tonight and have it live for tomorrow. So yeah, the next time I'll see you is on Saturday. So thanks very much for watching. Leave a comment because I read every single one, and I'll see you in the next one.